Whoa, now what's happening with y'all like that? Check this out. Here we go again. Say, boy, if it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking another. Now the reporters are motherfucking mad because the girl didn't want to do interviews with them. Let me tell y'all something. ESPN and all you motherfuckers, CNN and all you motherfuckers. When the girl was at her lowest point, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sit there and y'all bashed her for some damn marijuana, wouldn't let the girl compete. You know what I'm saying? The girl had to reinvent and rebuild herself, man, because y'all tried to crush somebody's spirit. Now the girl on top. Now y'all sitting there running up to her. Now y'all want to put her all in blast out. You know what I'm saying? She already told you in that interview. She doing this for her and people who look like her. She walked past every one of you motherfuckers and walked all the way in the back where y'all put the black reporters at, you know what I'm saying, and gave them the exclusive. Gave them the exclusive. I'm pretty sure those black reporters that she went and talked to, y'all had them all the way in the back of the line. So by the time she got to them and she did interviews with y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all have been in air the shit have been old, and she ain't giving y'all nothing but the junk iron that was left over. She walked past y'all humbly and went over there and talked to her people. Now it's a big problem now. Now y'all gonna try to say she racist. Nah, she ain't motherfucking racist. What's racist is when the girl was down at her lowest point, y'all sitting there bashing her on TV. Y'all didn't give a damn about how a person was feeling. She went down there and did some of her own fucking people. That ain't racist. That's giving a small media outlet, a black small media outlet, a fucking chance. How that shit feel to get the back end of it? Because we know y'all put them people way in the back, and then when they do press conference, man, the black folks had their hands up and shit, but no, they never get fucking called on. Man, y'all something else out there, man. You can't let nobody have a fucking victory and be happy for what they got going on. It's always got to be something. And a lot of you other black sports athletes out there, y'all need to start doing the same damn thing. Start giving your people chances. Start giving them smaller media outlets chances, and let them, you know what I'm saying, get the exclusive so they can try to get themselves up there. Shit. Ain't nobody got time for all that, man, because when you down at your lowest moment, man, they like to kick you. And then when you up, then they want to be all in your face again. This is a lesson, and a lot of y'all need to learn from what she did. Man, good job, man, and stay up out there, man, and get it out the mud.